Let's talk about the unsung hero, the quiet workhorse, the component everyone forgets until it's too late, your power supply unit, or PSU. You spent weeks agonizing over your CPU and GPU, but you probably grabbed the cheapest PSU that fit your budget, right? As your savvy tech advisor, I need to tell you, that's like putting budget tires on a Ferrari. It's a critical mistake that could cost you everything. Today we're diving into why a quality PSU isn't just recommended, it's non-negotiable for any serious gaming PC. So what does a PSU actually do? It takes the alternating current AC power from your wall and converts it into the stable direct current DC voltages your delicate PC components need. A good PSU delivers clean, stable power, even when your GPU is suddenly demanding hundreds of watts during an intense gaming moment. A cheap, low-quality PSU, however, struggles under load. It might deliver dirty power, with voltage fluctuations causing random crashes, instability, and even shortening the lifespan of your expensive CPU and GPU. Think of it like trying to run a marathon on junk food. You might finish, but you're not performing optimally, and you're damaging your body. But the biggest risk? Catastrophic failure. Cheap PSUs often use low-grade capacitors and lack essential safety protections. If one fails, it can send a surge of incorrect voltage through your system, literally frying your motherboard, your graphics card, your storage drives, everything. It's the one component failure that can kill your entire PC. So how do you avoid this? Don't just look at the wattage or the efficiency sticker. Focus on brand reputation and expert reviews. Stick to well-known trusted brands like Seasonic, Corsair, their RM series is great, EVGA or Be Quiet. Look for units with long warranties. 7 to 10 years is a good sign of quality components. A high-quality 650-watt bronze unit from a top brand is infinitely better than a questionable 800-watt gold unit from a no-name company. Investing an extra $30 to $50 in a quality power supply isn't just buying a component, it's buying insurance and peace of mind for your entire $1,000 plus investment. Don't risk it. I've linked a couple of my most trusted PSU recommendations in the description. For more essential tech advice from the Logic Lair, make sure you subscribe.